This is kind of weird. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be filming a little haul with you guys. It's primarily an unboxing haul, but I do have like 3 things I picked up at the mall that I thought I'd show you. This is pretty much all just from Forever 21. They were doing a like 70% off sale on their website. Okay, this is the box. I got primarily tops, so I'll hopefully try them on and show you guys a little like what they look like. But we'll see. If they don't fit me, can't show you, so I'll let you know. But yeah, I'm really excited, so let's just go ahead and get on in. I genuinely don't really remember what I bought because I got all this stuff like a week ago and it's just been sitting in my room because I was like, I'll need to show them, but I really want to do a true unboxing haul. Okay, wow, stepping up my game. Okay, so the first thing is just this suede. It's like a brown olive colored crop top, and it is like really nice suede material, but it's not true suede, so it does have some give to it, which I actually prefer. I think this will be really cool with some fun like high-waisted jeans or whatever. I'm actually planning a few vacations coming up, so some of the clothing items I purchased, I was keeping that in mind. If you guys want to see vlogs of those trips, let me know. I'm probably gonna vlog them no matter what, but I did think it would be kind of fun to show you guys some of the fashion I'm buying. As well as I'll probably do a packing video on like how I like to pack for my trips. So I have some really fun videos coming up. If you guys want to see them, don't forget to subscribe. And as I said before, pretty much everything I'm showing you, actually no, everything I'm showing you guys was on sale, at least from Forever 21. I rarely buy full priced items. So it turns out I am really liking suede. I got another little purpley cropped top, and this one has a nice little knot in the middle of it. These little tied up shirts are super in trend, so I wanted that. And then apparently I just really like suede, so I bought more suede. But basically I just thought that this would also be fun again with some high-waisted jeans. If you guys didn't see my how I style fall or how I style denim in the fall video, pretty much all my jeans are high-waisted. Next, we got a black shirt. This one was $12.90. And what does this one look like? Oh, cool. This one's kind of strapped and it has this like frilliness all over it. I don't know how I feel about that in person, but the main like base of it looks like it's fitted. I think when I bought this piece, I had in mind that I don't really have many like plain black tops to wear, and I was hoping to do some more outfits with that. So I think that's why I got this. The frilliness is just kind of weird. It's kind of like a like super holey material. But yeah, it's pretty, it's off the shoulder. Yeah. I don't think I bought this. Oh wait, what? Oh, it's like a car, okay, I bought this. Okay, I thought like it came all like wrapped up, and I thought it was like a tied up like crochet top, and I was like, I wouldn't have bought this. I wouldn't know how to like, you know, wear it. If you guys didn't know, I show horses, and fringe is like really in clothing right now for the horse show world. So I think I've been kind of trying to convert that to my real life wardrobe, which is why I bought this. And so I think it's really fun. It has a hood, but I hardly ever use hoods on cardigans like this because I feel like they kind of just make my hair really staticky. But yeah, so that's that. So this is the next piece I got. It looks like the smallest thing I ordered in this package. And it's just a basic little white tank top with this cool little, like, what are these called? I don't know. These little claspy doos to go up the middle of it. One of the trips I have coming up is in the Caribbean, and so I needed some basic, like, cute little tank tops that are small enough that I can pack them because I might only get a carry-on for a week-long trip. Yeah. But yeah, basically I just wanted this for that. This label they have here kind of looks like a Brandy Melville label, but it's not Brandy Melville. Interesting. Oh, I'm excited about this one. This is a olive green like little sweatshirt, and it is a cropped one. You'll see in a few minutes. I bought a few more of these, but this one I was really excited for because it's like olive green, which is like my favorite color, if you're wondering. So yeah, and it's just a really basic, really simple, and I feel like cropped is like my favorite type of shirt, but in the winter, I feel like it's a really difficult thing to wear, so I'm really glad that cropped hoodies are in right now because don't mind if I do. Okay, last and final thing in that Forever 21 box is another one of the same little cropped like top that has this knot in the middle, just like the purple one I showed earlier. Also long sleeve, same thing, just another color. So that is everything for the unboxing portion of this video. I just have a couple things I want to show you guys that I picked up in the mall. The first place was Cotton On that I went to, and they were doing not really a sale, but like a couple little odds and ends were on sale. And so they had all their hoodies were $20. So again, I got 2 more cropped ones. Truth be told, I kind of forgot I bought that olive cropped one from Forever 21, but this one is a little bit longer actually. And it's just this black one that says Friends on it. I just felt like this would be really wearable, so. And then the second one is this teal color that says Yosemite. It kind of looks like it's like one of those t-shirts you buy when you go on vacation, but it's like this crop sweatshirt. Cotton On sweatshirts I actually really like because they're kind of lighter, which living in California, I kind of prefer lighter sweatshirts. And they're like, they're so soft, but yeah, they're just thinner, which is why I really like them. And like I said, they're on sale for 20 bucks. So I don't buy a ton of sweatshirts, but when I do, yeah, they're gonna be cropped this year. Okay, last place. I never shop here. Actually, we only went in here because I was with my boyfriend and he wanted to go in here, but they were doing a really good sale, and that was at Eddie Bauer. Like I said, never have bought an item from here in my life, but they had a 40% off sale, I think, on everything in the store. They said it was, I'm guessing Eddie, it was his birthday. So yeah, everything was on sale. So I got this really fun beanie that was originally $30, but I ended up paying like $17 for it. And it is so nice on the inside. You can see it's like, has extra fluff and stuff around your ears, which I am very intrigued by. And if you're not really a beanie wearer, this stuff, like the actual yarn, will like kind of irritate your ears after a while if you don't wear them a ton, maybe. I don't know, maybe if you wear more, you like build up a resistance to it or something. But for me at least, it starts to irritate my ears after a while, so I like that this one has this little soft stuff to comfort them. And the final thing was just these leggings, which are from Eddie Bauer. These ones were a little bit pricier, but I bought these for an upcoming video, so there was partly an incentive as to why I bought them. But they also feel like a good quality. They feel similar to Lululemons. I don't want to say they're the same because I don't know enough about Lululemons, to be honest. I don't own very many pairs. But they feel like a really good quality. They feel like they're that nice stretchy material and are not see-through at all, which is always what we're going for. But yeah, so these ones were $70 and they were 40% off. So they were about, you know, 40 bucks. So I don't mind paying that for a really nice pair of leggings, which I feel like these are. So these are just a basic black pair of leggings that I'm very excited to try on in an upcoming video. All right, guys, that is everything for this video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting that like button, commenting down below, subscribing to my channel, whatever your preferred way is. I will appreciate it. And haul videos usually do pretty well, so I do like to film them for you guys. But you know, if there's something else you want to see, let me know. Like I said, I have a lot of videos planned that are coming up soon, so stay prepared for that. And yeah, that is everything. All right, I will see you guys next time. Bye.